This is Josh from JoshBuilds, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this popsicle stick crossbow right here. Now, as you can see, it works fairly well, and you'll soon see the demonstration. What I also like about this is it's made out of all household materials: popsicle sticks, bobby pins, etc. One thing I'm going to be doing new in all my videos from now on, including this one here, is if you look in the description, you'll see a timeline of the video. So if you want to skip to a section, say building the trigger, you can just click on the time and skip everything before that. Now this crossbow here is, I'm going to start the video like soon, but it's the bow part of it is from a previous one of my videos. So I'm not going to show the full construction of the bow, just to recap. And if you want to see the full bow construction, you can check in the description below and see how to construct this bow right here, the full tutorial for it. But here's a quick recap. So first I just cut a notch in a bunch of popsicle sticks. Then one popsicle stick has the bobby pins through it. The other popsicle sticks attach onto it to make a hinge kind of mechanism. And then on the ends of it, I'm just going to attach a string from end to end. And then in the middle, on the front there, we're attaching an elastic band to give us some power, I guess. So once you have this here, you can start this tutorial here. So for this popsicle stick crossbow, what we're going to use first is a piece of popsicle stick, and we're going to mount that on the bottom of our bow. And this just serves as a mounting platform for the rest of the crossbow. So now I'm going to put down 3 popsicle sticks. Only 2 of them are going to get glued in there. Basically, we want to glue the 2 outside ones in there and use a middle piece as a spacer. So we want to basically leave room for 1 popsicle stick in the middle. So I'll glue those down. A dab of glue on each side, and be generous with the glue. And then once it's dry, you can go push out the centerpiece. And there you have it, you're left with a nice space in the middle. Next, I'm going to attach another popsicle stick in the back there. And you want to attach it at a distance that when you pull the bow back, as you can see there, it stretches out to its full potential. And we're going to glue that in. And when you glue it in, make sure it's slightly lower than the previous pieces. Like the other 2 pieces, you want it slightly lower than that, just to give the bullet a place to rest. And now you can, once that's glued in there, you can test it out by lifting up the string, and it fires a bullet. Now we're going to start building the trigger. So for that, just put a thumbtack through the base. And as you can see there, it goes through all the way. Now I'm just going to make a little pinprick on another popsicle stick, and this is going to be our trigger. So we're just marking an area there, and now I'm going to, that area that I marked, I'm going to put a hole all the way through it. Now the popsicle stick with the hole I just made, I'm going to slide it through there. And I'm going to push the thumbtack through and find that hole. It may take a bit of time to find the hole that you punched in the centerpiece. So we get it through, and now that popsicle stick acts on a hinge, and that's going to be the start of our trigger. Next, we need to build something to lift the string off the back of it. Like you saw before, to fire it, you have to lift the string off the back, so that's what this next part is going to be. Now cut 2 identical popsicle sticks. And once we got those 2 cut, we're just going to mount them on the back of our trigger, as you can see there. So attach some hot glue and align both the pieces, one on each side, in a way so that it knocks the if you pull it in, it knocks the string off when the string is cocked all the way back. And now I put the one piece on the other side. Now you can pull it back, and the string pulls all the way back and just rests straight on the back of that popsicle stick. And then you can push the trigger inwards and it lifts the string up and fires. So now I'm just going to add one more popsicle stick in there, and that is just going to act as something to hold on to. So now you can see what it looks like. It's just for aesthetic reasons and for holding on to. And now we're going to put a spring in the middle. So you saw me testing it out there. You have to glue it in first. So put a dab of glue there, push the trigger down onto it, and then add some glue where the trigger will connect to the spring. And that's just the spring from a pen, just a normal dollar store pen or wherever you get it from. Just unscrew the pen and you can find a spring in there. One of the pens that click though. And now we can test it out. Put a bullet there. For the bullets we just use skewers, and then you can fire it. And for another test you can see us load it up. We just rest the string on the back. You put the skewer down and then pull upwards to fire. So that is the end of this tutorial here. And as always, you can like and subscribe this video, that'd be appreciated, and check out all my other videos and my website JoshBuilds.com. Thanks for watching. Now here's just a preview of a video that will be coming soon. It's a modification to the crossbow that I just showed you the tutorial of. It's motorized, so stay tuned to my channel if you want to see this.